The LED screen featured in this video is built with the InFiSlim Pro Series Pixel Pitch 1.56 cabinets. With its ultra-thin 33mm profile and lightweight 21 kilograms design, it is perfectly suited for various creative installations. The full front maintenance structure keeps the back of the cabinet completely flat, allowing it to mount directly against the wall while saving valuable indoor space. This series has been successfully deployed in high-end locations such as churches in Canada, shopping malls in Georgia, and Korea universities, proving its stability and performance. For this project, the screen was fully customized to the client's site, using a 150 inward seamless corner connection. The result is a smooth, vivid, and continuous display that enhances the environment with a modern and striking visual presence. More than just an LED screen, it's a design element that elevates every space it enters.